What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on LCID because this stock is for the past couple of days pumping really well, and we are currently having here some interesting opportunities for buying this stock. So if you are interested about the exact setups that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to tell you that I just create my own Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday stocks that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. As I said in the intro, this stock is for the past couple of days pumping really well, and you can see that, for example, from this low to this high, we did a pump around like 52%. Right now, we are really close to this massive bearish order block, which is between levels 5.31 and 4.59. So if you are, for example, interested in shorting this stock, then this is definitely an area that you want to pay attention. But whenever you are planning to short this stock, you want to place your stop loss above this previous high, because in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block, there will be a really high probability that this stock will continue with its pump. But let's say you will short the stock somewhere in this bearish order block, then your last take profit target you can place either above like this previous lows, or for example above this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.45 and 2.48. The main problem with a shorting of this stock is that this stock is currently really undervalued, so you are taking a risk of a huge short squeeze, which is something that I'm really counting on while I am gonna long this. So me personally, I am not planning to open here a short trade, because as I said, in the long time perspective, this stock is really undervalued, so I'm counting here with a potential short squeeze. So actually the main setup that I'm watching here, if this stock will continue with its pump, will be valid, as I said, after a breakout and then support confirmation here. Of course, it will be best to have like a support confirmation somewhere in this bearish order block, because then you should just place your stop loss under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown then resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit targets you can, for example, place like above this next bearish order block, which is between levels 8.39 or 7.34, yeah, something like that. Or if you really want and you want to, let's say, trade, for example, something like this, in which you can see that we had here a pump around like 100, almost like 200%, then yeah, you can place your last take profit target somewhere to this area, something like that, in which you will be speculating for a risk reward ratio almost 20, and that's absolutely insane. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be still really good. But this is not the only setup that you can currently trade here. So if there will be another huge price rejection, I am still watching here this bullish order block, in which I informed you about in my last analysis on the stock. And this bullish order block is, as I said, between levels 2.55 and 2.48, and if we are gonna get to this area, then in the long time perspective, this is, in my opinion, really great buying opportunity. So I will be considering buying this stock to my long-term portfolio. If we take a look on the higher time frame, in which I'm meaning like a weekly time frame, then you can see that we are finally starting to have here an increased bullish volume. So if the current weekly candle will close above this previous one, then we will get to a sort of like a price discovery phase, because the next important resistance is starting like here, but this resistance is like from December 2023, so yeah, it's like really old resistance. Then in this case there can be a opportunity for another huge pump. So if you want to create here, let's say, really long-term long position, you can wait here for a support confirmation of these previous highs, in which you can open here a long trade, of course without leverage, because as I said, this will be like a long-term long position, in which you can speculate, let's say, for this previous high. So the potential take profit target can be like 325%, and of course, because you are without leverage, you are risking like 100% of your entire capital per this trade. So always use a proper risk management. But yeah, this is one of the setups that you can also take on this stock if you, for example, don't want to use leverage, or if you don't want to wait for another price drop. If you want to know about all the stocks that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. As I said, link to join is in the description. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching this video. Because this channel is really new, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe and liking this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. See ya.